And let us continue in that place of quiet and calm. Recognizing that presence that permeates around us. Feeling that presence surround us and move through us as we honor this day. And this is that day that we are blessing and caring for the earth as we are having our Earth Day celebratory service today. As I care, and each of us care for our own homes and our own living spaces, we also care for this earth, the beauty and the bounty that is there for us. And what a perfect day. What a perfect day to just take a walk in mind right now. You may want to go by a riverfront and sitting in front of the river, watching the water flow and the beauty that surrounds the area. Or perhaps a walk in nature is more to your liking. And we can smell the scent of the flowers that are already blooming. The daffodils and crocus. The trees that are beginning to burst forth, some of them already with leaves, some of them already with flowers. Returning again and again each year, along with the birds and the butterflies and all of the beauties of the earth that surround us. And we are here to enjoy that, to care for it, to sustain it, and to live in it. Blessing the earth, as well as our individual lives and the beauty that we add to it. May we continue to live within the blessings that are given to us and that we give to the earth itself. This beautiful green, blue-green planet that supports us, and we support it. And so it is. Amen.